The last time I made this scent leaf soup known as ofa afuji, this soup na my husband people soup. Oga was like, I beg, do this soup again. I beg, do this soup again. The last one was so delicious. I told him, Oga, you follow me. Oh, this is him plucking the scent leaf for me. And he did a very nice job. As you can see, he plucked the scent leaf without the stalk being attached to it. And here, this is me washing it. You have to wash your scent leaf properly. I have already done a tutorial on how to wash your scent leaf for this soup. Okay, check it out on my page. And this is me squeezing it the way they used to squeeze bitter leaf. Yes, you squeeze it out very well till we get to this level. You see it. You see how good and how soft it is, okay? And we have put our meat on fire. We spice our meat with our seasoning, our onion, spice it to your taste, okay? Now this is me adding back our stockfish into the pot. I like if I add my stockfish, I'll cover it up to cook so that the taste of the stockfish will come out very well. Okay, I have blended my crayfish. I had to pour more water into the pot. Now I'm getting ready for the soup. Before I was just parboiling the meat, okay? Now I've added my seasoning. You add your seasoning. You add your salt. And this is my crayfish. I added my crayfish, I added my pepper to it, okay? Just do it the way you love it. And one thing about this soup is that it needs a lot of oil. And this is another different style you can cook the soup. If you watch my previous video, there's a different way I made the soup, okay? This is another different way you can make the soup. Now, this is me adding my water leaf to the pot. One thing about this soup is get fresh water leaf and scent leaf. If they are fresh, my sister, your soup will be so awesome. Your soup will be so tasty. Get them fresh. Very, very okay. Very, very good and essential to get your fresh water leaf and scent leaf, okay? Now I'll cover up my pot to allow the water leaf to cook very well. Yes, the water leaf will have to cook very well before adding your scent leaf. Now, after your water leaf finish cooking, you add your scent leaf, okay? One thing about this scent leaf, you need to add it and allow it to cook very well. So after adding your scent leaf, you cover it up, you stir it very well. After stirring, you cover it up. And see, if you don't like it to be too thick, you can add a little water so that the scent leaf will cook very well. And you can as well allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes, depending, okay? That is cooking, you'll be testing to see how soft it is. You cook it to be very soft, okay, guys? So tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Don't always forget to like, comment, and share our video. See you.